Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the 3 best selling speaker on Amazon under $40. We're going to look at all the speakers and see which one you should go if you are considering buying a speaker that is under $40. Before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave the comments below. Let me go through the spec very quickly for all 3 speakers. First of all, we're looking at the Angel 3S. It's a 3rd generation speaker. It's the #1 selling speaker on Amazon. $30 in one single color. You have in black, 12-hour playtime. It does have a built-in mic, supported by Bluetooth 4.2, slightly older Bluetooth version. IP5 is water resistant, so you can take them to outdoors, and it does have an audio output of 10 watts. It's really loud for a $30 speaker. Model we are looking at is going to be the Anker Mini. It's the 1st generation, so you have a 2 generation after this, and it's still one of the best selling speaker. $30. Come in a few colors. You have a black, you have a gold, silver, and you have a pink. 15-hour playtime, really good for a battery. So 12 hours, 15 hours, built-in microphone. You can answer a phone call, supported by Bluetooth 4.2. It doesn't have any IP rating, so you have to be a bit more careful when you're taking outdoors. Audio output of 5 watts, so not that bad. And it does come with quite a lot of features. So you have a built-in radio that you can use. You have a micro SD card intake, so if you have your songs preloaded in your SD card, you can use them to play. It's a very rugged speaker. I've dropped this speaker way too many times and there's a few scratches. Other than that, the speaker worked really good. And the other one you're looking at is the JBL Go 3. $40. Come in black, blue, green, pink and red, white, so you have quite a lot of colors to pick and choose from. 5-hour playtime. It is one of the lowest battery comparing with all 3, where on the Anker is 15 hours and the Angel 3S come with 12-hour playtime. No built-in mic, so you can't answer phone calls. It's supported by a very advanced Bluetooth version. It's the 5.1, IP67, water and dust proof, so you can take them outdoors, you can take them pool. You don't need to worry much. The speaker able to handle water very well. Audio output of 4.2, so again it is the lowest audio output, where on the Anker you have 5 watts. On the Angel 3 you have 10 watts audio output, so it is twice as much as the JBL. So now we're going to try the audio.
Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen and fill the. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen and fill the. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold, to save for later. You cannot trust it to come again, to wait for you to find a pen. Paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you. Paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you. With the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you. And fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you. And fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you. And fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Grab it, hold it by its tail before it escapes. You know its ways and you.
There is a big difference with the audio with all three of them. One have really good bass, one is really loud and good bass, one is really good on the features. Which one to go for? Let me go through each of the speakers, what they're good and what's bad about it. So JBL, really good bass, really clear audio. The speaker is not that loud. Not only that, it's around 5 hours of charge. If you're going to use it for long hours, JBL, you need to charge it over and over just to make sure it's at full charge. On the Anker, it's really good price, really good battery life, 15 hours. You get around, if you play in full volume, you will get around 8 to 9 hours of playtime. I really like the speaker. Not only that, it's have really good features. One, you get a radio. Second, audio input, micro SD card intake as well. JBL don't have audio intake and don't have micro SD card intake and don't have built-in microphones. Anker don't have built-in microphone either. On the Angel 3S, first when I ordered it, I was expecting really a cheap build, but it's really good. First of all, it's a really premium build. Really good speakers, so you have a metal grill on the both sides. I really like the audio on the speaker. It's 10 watts. I wasn't expecting this kind of a quality from a cheaper speaker, but it does have really good audio. So which one to go for? Audio quality and loudness, I will go with the Angel 3S. Then I will go with the JBL Go 3 because of the clear audio and much pleasant audio experience. I really like the JBL. It's really clear on the vocals as well. It's really good on the bass. Then I will go for the Anker Mini. Anker Mini is good, but I feel the audio is slightly lower compared to both of the speakers. But if you do want slightly louder on the Anker, go for the Anker Mini 3. It's much louder audio. If you are considering buying a speaker under $40, I highly recommend going for the Angel 3S and the JBL Go 3. You will get much better audio and you will get much pleasanter audio than other speakers on that price range. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.